Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious restaurant style Palak Paneer. Palak Paneer is basically cottage cheese pieces in spinach puree or gravy. This gravy is flavored with different Indian spices. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी कोड़िए देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. First heat water in a pan. To that add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Bring it to a boil and then add 2 slit green chillies and 4 bunches of spinach. I have pre-washed the spinach. Blanch for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove and add immediately in ice cold water. Squeeze and add the spinach to a blender jar. To that add 4 to 5 ice cubes. Blend to make puree. Keep it aside. In a kadai heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. To that add 500 grams of chopped paneer. Saute just for 2 minutes. Transfer to a plate and keep it aside. Now to the same oil add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half inch of ginger grated, 8 to 10 cloves of garlic chopped. Saute everything till they turn golden brown and then add 2 big onions chopped. Saute till the onion turns golden brown and then add 1 big tomato chopped. Cook till the tomato turns mushy. Now add few chopped spinach leaves. This is completely optional. Saute for a minute. Then add 1 tablespoon of Kasoori methi. Salt as per taste. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. Half teaspoon red chilli powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1 teaspoon cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix well and cook. Add a dash of water to bring everything together. Now add the prepared spinach puree. Add half cup of water and remaining spinach puree. Mix everything well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream and mix. Finally add the paneer pieces. Mix well with the gravy. Cook the paneer in the gravy for 4 to 5 minutes. Finally add chopped coriander leaves and give it a mix. Turn off the heat and serve hot. So our delicious palak paneer is ready. Finally let's prepare a tadka. So in a small pan heat 1 teaspoon of mustard oil. To that add a pinch of hing, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic chopped and 2 dried red chillies. After it splutters, add it to the palak paneer. This gives a different aroma to our palak paneer. So our restaurant style palak paneer is ready. This goes perfectly well with chapati or paratha or naan. Also this goes well with rice. So do try this out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.